Okay. Hello, my name is Paul. I'm a member of Rose Hill and Iffley Low Carbon Group, and we were invited to join the Repair Cafe network and start running repair cafes here in Rose Hill.
And I'm Catherine, and I'm also part of Rose Hill and Iffley Low Carbon, and so every 2 months we're running a cafe here. It takes quite a bit of organisation and paperwork and so on, so we are very happy to do that. We've had a really good response today, haven't we?
We have.
Lots of people with lots of things to be mended, most of which we've managed to do, I think, or a lot of them.
We take electrical items which otherwise might go to landfill and resources be wasted. We take sewing, which
things to be mended.
Yes.
Holes in trousers, trousers to be shortened, things that need fixing up.
And we repair bicycles as well. So we have 3 major things that we do, and it encourages people not to just chuck things away, but to think about repairing them and saving them and reusing them rather than just the throwaway culture that we're used to.
My name is Noha Abu. I'm from Syria, and I'm representing Syrian sister especially, and we are here today, and I think it's very important to be here today because we always ask for help, and today we're coming to help to save environment and helping local people, and it's also good for us and for my community to involve and making social involved, and I think it's very good. Like we have a professional sewer here, and he helping local people, and it's something to encourage him to involve more. And also we have a bike man, he helping with biking, and I think that also is very good for him to practice at least English and meet new people in here in Rose Hill. It's very good to be here. And we're here from around Oxford, not just Rose Hill.
My name's Aladdin, and I kind of work in this centre sometimes. Well, hopefully I do work in the centre. I just want to say what a wonderful repair cafe event this has been. Absolutely superb. I have a bike here which belongs to my son, and basically the gears were a bit messed up due to wear and tear and also the way we bought it, but at the moment money's quite tight, so I can't. I've got to be very careful about how I spend money. But I come to Repair Cafe, they were so helpful. They showed us step by step how I could fix the gears when they became undone, and they were very patient and very kind. But that isn't it, because I also beforehand, about an hour ago, bought another bike. My bike was punctured, and they showed me again step by step how to repair my puncture. But I also quite fantastic as well, because I brought my son with me, who's a 5-year-old, and as you know, they can be very impatient, and they went by step with also Timothy, my son, and it was amazing how they got him involved, Kevin and Rob. So I think it's what a wonderful event, and I've saved a fortune.